People of YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm sat in here right now in one of my favourite cars to ever come out of Japan. It's a Honda Civic EG Coupe. I'm going to show you around the car. This one's going to be absolutely epic. If you watched the last video building the engine, this is the car it's going into. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. Meet me back here. Yeah, I'm going to show you around the car, talk about what we're doing nice and quick, and just get straight to it. Here she is, Honda Civic EG Coupe. Absolutely epic bits of kit. Essentially a Honda Integra, not much in it, similar suspension setup, similar size, and it's going to have the Integra engine in it by the end of the video. Absolutely epic cars. I remember when I was 17, Ollie turned up at my house with one of these. He had the teal green coloured one, took me out, and it was the 1.5, still quick for what they are. Absolutely loved it. This is the car that started me out on Japanese stuff. It was this and a Mark 1 MX-5. That's why I got so much love for them. Absolutely epic bits of kit. So ahead of their time. Come from factory, mid to late 90s. Fully independent suspension all round, including the rear. Most cars had full solid beam. Engine that comes in from the factory's got a fully forged bottom ends. They're good for like 350 horsepower with a turbo on them in like a 1.4, 1.5. Absolutely epic, really well designed. Everything just bolts together. This one has seen better days. It's very haggard. It is a high mileage hero. It's on about nearly 250,000 miles, but we've got a lovely low mileage B series going in here. Got this tasty paintwork here. Wings are all haggard. Some of these steels, bits of trim hanging off all round, paint on the window, smashed tail light there. Underneath's pretty clean, but yeah, we've got a clean engine going in, and we've got an all new everything. Got a full stainless exhaust. Interior's pretty clean. Got these nice tasty stickers here. Just needs a good hoover out and a scrub, but no rips, no tears. Really clean interior, and the whole interior is in here. It's pretty unmolested inside. See it there, 248. Just goes to show just how indestructible these things are. Chap I bought it off, he's taken the gearbox out so he can manual swap something else that he's got. Pretty sure what's happened here is he's turboed it, hasn't tuned it, and blown the bottom end. That engine's dud. Still see some evidence of a turbo kit, some pressure regulator, bigger injectors and stuff. Gearbox is gone, but yeah, all this is coming out. I'm going to swap that beautiful B series in, tied it all up, got some new lights, some really nice wheels going on, set of coilovers, full stainless exhaust, and a few bits for the interior. If you want to see it done and on the road, stick around to the end, stick it on full screen. Let's build an EG Coupe.
Klien.
Yes then people, we are back outside, test driven, and back at the garage compound. What an absolute animal of a car. I don't know if you could hear it in the video. It's got really aggressive VTEC crossover on this, sounds absolutely epic. I think that's because of the bigger intake, but I thought I'd just do a walk round. We haven't actually done one yet. Just got it together, MOT'd and straight out on the road. Absolutely epic bit of kit. White on the black wheels, come up really nice. Got these Toyo proxies on here. Upgraded brakes at the front, brakes really well, handles really nice. Little bit of scrubbing, but that is super low at the front. A little bit of scrubbing on full lock. Really nice fitment. Always wanted one of these. I finally crossed it off my list. Did have a few issues getting it running. Turned out to be an immobiliser fault with the car. Nothing to do with the engine swap. But whilst trying to get it started, realised there's not really a lot of information on these on the internet about B swapping, which is surprising given that it's such a popular swap. So I'm going to do a full video start to finish, everything you'll need to B swap an EG, EJ or an EK Civic. But I'll do that in a separate video just so I can touch everything. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous bit of kit. Runs amazing, super quick for what it is. At the end of the day, it is a Civic. I think it's still 200 and something horsepower, probably a little bit less given the age. But yeah, runs amazing, looks even better. Proper cool bit of kit. Really chuffed with how this one's turned out. See that cherry red just popping off against the white. Stainless 421 headers there. Alley radiator, all new silicone hoses. And the bigger intake. Proper cool bit of kit. Right then people, one more build all done. Absolutely gorgeous bit of kit, looks amazing, runs and drives even better. If you like the video, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment, let me know what you think of the footage, just the video in general. I will be doing another video on how to B swap a Civic start to finish, plus all the little niggly bits. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.